fixing to change the oil on this thing. It's a 15 millimeter. So I like these little wrenches right here because for somewhat of a tight clearance, I'm able to just grab it. So I actually saw the C8, and that car's like all covered up in panels where you can't really see much, but I was pretty excited to see that they actually had a little access cover. So the filter that I am using, I like to use the AC Delco ones. I'm using, according to my bin, there was 2 part numbers that I could have used. So this one's a little bit larger, and this one's a little bit more expensive because the other filter was like $6. This one's like $15. So I kind of prefer to use the more premium filter. Another thing I like to do is I like to add a little bit of oil to my filters. All right, the filter's on there. And if you've seen some of my other videos on my Maserati, the filter actually comes with a little bit of oil. So Maserati is already taking the initiative of putting some oil in there. So I've been doing all the maintenance myself, the differential service, the transmission service, the coolant flush, brake fluid flush. The only thing that's I'm probably gonna do pretty soon is the spark plugs. So yeah, this car's, it's pretty easy to maintain. The transmission service, very accessible. My differential. It's another great thing about this car. I like cars that I can work on myself. I think it's also pretty fun getting to learn a little bit more about them. So yeah, this is my daily driver, and I plan to keep it for a while. So here we actually have the other filter, because according to the parts department, my car showed this 2 applicable to my VIN number, and we can see this one's the cheaper one. And last time I think I was told it was like $6. Meanwhile, this one is a little bit taller, and this one's about $15. It's a little bit bigger. We can also see inside. Well, I don't think we can see good, but the material looks better. And we even have some kind of sealing there. I'm not 100% sure about the purpose, but on this one they just go ahead and don't even include that in there. Might be some kind of bypass valve for the flow. But yeah, definitely a lot better material, a lot better built. Feels a little bit heavier. So yep, went ahead and filled it up with oil with 530. I used the Mobil 1 full synthetic. So got 53,000 miles, and it's been a great car so far. So plan to keep it for a while. So thanks for watching.